Oh, why do I work on these little things? I always find these little chainsaws in the auction and they go really cheap, and usually all they need is like a carburetor, sometimes a little coil, but you can get this stuff off Amazon. And this one came, I don't have the filter for it, I had to order that. But I had to put a new carb on it. Little tune and it seems to do good. Look at that cherry. Old dry cherry. Yeah. Not a bad little find. I don't run too much off the air filter. But yeah, I like taking these little cheap finds and fixing them up. I probably got more in it than it's worth, but better than sending it off to a junkyard somewhere to be buried and just get into our water system, because they bury everything these days. It's a mess. But would you fix up something like that? You think it's worth your time? Would you enjoy doing that? I know I enjoy doing it. To fix this one, that little Ryobi, so you know, it'll probably run for a while, maybe a year or so. Great for doing branches and stuff like that. It fires right up now. Bar and chain is probably worth what I got in it, probably.